So students, in this lecture, I'll be telling you about the anchorage and its codal provisions. Right? It is a very small topic but very important also. Now what is anchorage? Anchor, in a very simple English terms, anchor means you are taking support of something. For example, there is a ship, right? It wants to get to a harbor, so what it does, it anchors itself to the bottom of the sea, right? Anchors means that to get the support. Similarly, in concrete also, in beams also, we have anchorage, right? Now for example, in the previous lecture, what I told you about the development length. Now let us say that development length is given by LD should be greater than equal to phi into sigma st divided by 4 times of tau bd. Remember? Now let us say that you have got the value of some development length. Let us say it has come out to be 1.2 meters, for example. But your span of the beam, it is just 1 meter. What will you do then? Obviously, you cannot take the reinforcement out of this section. What will you do? You will bend the reinforcements like this, right? So this length, let us L. This length is known as the anchorage length, and this phenomena is known as anchorage. What it does? It increases the bond stress as well as it provides sufficient space for the reinforcements. So this is the advantage of using anchorage. Now let us see some codal provisions. What does the code says? The code says that this anchorage, let us say that this is a beam. This anchorage can be like this. This is known as a 90-degree turn, or this anchorage can be like this. This is known as the 45-degree turn, or this anchorage can be like this also. This is known as the 180-degree turn. 180-degree turn. So which turn do we have to implement? Depends upon the development length. How much is the development length, right? Now let us talk about the anchorage length. So anchorage length, let me take the example of this 90-degree turn. So what anchorage length is, many students get confused, right? So let us say that this was the reinforcement. Now from this point you have bent the reinforcement, and up to here it was the curvature and then straight. So from this point to the ending point is known as anchorage length. From this point, some students say from this to this point. No, from this point, from the where the curve has actually ended and to the length, ultimate length of the beam is actually the anchorage length L. So how much this anchorage length L is, and how much is this radius? So this radius is given by K into phi. K into phi, right? If it is a 90-degree turn, if it is a 180-degree turn, then from here we take it as K into phi. Right? Now what is this K? For mild steel, K is taken as 2 for mild steel. Mild steel. And K is taken as 4 for high yield strength deformed bars. Clear? Usually. So K is equal to, it means that you have got the radius of this curve. Now how much this distance should be? So code says that for every 45-degree turn, right? I am again repeating, for every 45-degree turn, this value of anchorage length, it increases by 4 phi. It means that if it was 45-degree turn, now for 45-degree bend, the anchorage length is 4 times so the diameter of the bar. If this is 90-degree bend, then it will be equal to 45, 4 plus 4. It will be 8 times the diameter of the bar. And if it is 180 degree, then for 45 degree we have 4 phi. For 180 degree we have 4 into 4. Because if you divide 180 by 45, you will get 4. So for 45 you have 4 phi. For 180 you have 16 phi. For 180 degree bend, you will have 16 times the diameter of the bar. This is important. Right? So this is important. Clear? So I hope that you have understood the concept of anchorage. This was the anchorage when you have your reinforcement, right? Similarly, you can have shear anchorage also, right? That is not important for gate point of view. You can also have shear anchorage. Let us say that these are the shear stirrups. There also you can have anchorage, right? There also you can have anchorage. There also you can have anchorage, right? But that is not important. The important is this one. Right? So I hope that you have understood the concept of anchorage and the codon provisions of anchorage. Now let us solve one numerical and understand this concept more deeply. Thank you.